Hello, everyone. If you're passionate about luxury cars, exclusive vehicles, and the most impressive innovations in the automotive world, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell, because today's episode is simply spectacular. In today's video, we're talking about a vehicle that completely redefines the concept of luxury on wheels, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026. Get ready to discover a true mobile palace that blends elegance, cutting-edge technology, and extreme comfort in a way only Rolls-Royce can deliver. Imagine traveling the world with the same level of sophistication as a seven-star hotel. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 is not just a means of transportation, it's a complete experience. From the very first glance, it impresses with its commanding exterior design, smooth lines, and an undeniable presence that turns heads wherever it goes. The iconic Rolls-Royce front grille has been adapted for this luxurious giant, maintaining the brand's classic identity while adding a modern, futuristic touch. Chrome details, signature LED headlights, and flawless finishes show that every centimeter was designed to communicate exclusivity. The size of this motorhome is generous, yet everything has been engineered to provide excellent aerodynamics and stability. The exterior paint can be fully customized with exclusive, tailor-made colors, something very common in the world of Rolls-Royce. The famous Spirit of Ecstasy emblem appears with special illumination, further reinforcing the premium character of the vehicle.